Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Check the bot token and environment variable. If the token is wrong, nothing will connect. Once done, make sure gateway intents in your developer portal match what your code requests, because missing intents stop events. Also inspect the bot role and channel permissions. Even one missing send messages or read message history permission blocks commands. Finally, restart the process with logs enabled so you capture initial connection errors. Next, dive into the code. Confirm commands are registered correctly. Global registration can take up to an hour versus guild registration, which is instant. Then validate how your code parses prefixes and that /command listeners are wired to interaction create. Miswired handlers silently ignore input. Once that's sorted, examine cooldown or permission checks inside command logic. Overly strict checks will drop commands. Finally, add targeted console logs around command matching. To finish, redeploy your bot and run tests in a test guild with a simple account. This isolates permission or caching issues. Make sure to clear any local or CDN caches and enable verbose logs so you see token rejections, intent errors, and rate limits. If problems persist, isolate one command and run a minimal bot script locally. Reproducing the bug in a small context exposes the root cause. One key tip: if nothing logs, rotate the token and retry, because silent auth failures are common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.